Okay, out in the bush today, beautiful weather, nice morning, and we're here today with the beast, as Woody calls it, which as of March this year, 2026, is got the latest and greatest of everything that he's ever done, put into this amazing 5000, GPX5000. Testing, depth, etc., and all that sort of stuff. I'll get into that later. But it's just a remarkable little unit to work with. It has variable gain, it also has variable frequency, and it also has variable dampening. At the moment we're just set on default. We are on deep, special, mono, and in tracking, and everything in the back is just default, factory default. The only thing that's different is the fact that, unlike a normal 5000 where you would turn it on and do an auto tune, this has manual frequency tuning or pulse tuning, depending on how people want to put it. So you would set that manually. You would set it low for depth and for large gold, and you would pick higher frequencies for fine small gold, because what it is the actual speed of the pulses and the duration of the pulses. The slower the pulse, the larger, deeper gold you'll find, and the higher would result in finding smaller, finer gold, right the way down to, as we're going to demonstrate today, that is a 0.02 gram, very small gold. Let me show that to you, just so you can see. Very small, fine gold. Something that a 6000 would be looking for, or a gold monster or something like that. Anyway, we'll switch on. At the moment we're running at a frequency in the main tuning of 240. I do have another prospector not far from me, so there would be some little interference. Gain is set on half, so the variable gain is set on half, and dampening for a beginner, set it all full clockwise until you get used to the dampening of it. That would bring it back to near factory. Let's do a balance. As you can see, this is very highly mineralized ground. It's got a lot of ironstone, a lot of quartz, a lot of slate. It's all been brought up from diggings and from mines around the area, and as you can tell with the brown here, this is really high mineralized. We are in Western Victoria. I won't say exactly where. As you can see, that has balanced that out, no problem at all. Got a nice little threshold, nice and quiet. Now I've put the 0.02 on the ground because we're set for finding hot, fine gold. I have the set on full clockwise for the dampening, which is where you would start when you first get a machine, until you get used to using the dampening, and then you can fine tune it from there. As you can see, we have our gold on the ground, and it's finding that without any problem. We're running the Coiltech Elite Max 10x5 mono. And that's finding that without any problem at all. Now if we bring in the dampening, just bring that up. So yeah, it's brought that signal up quite substantially from where it was. As you can see there, we've got a good 4 inches, maybe 5, and it's still picking that up without any problem at all. Now if I turn the dampening back, rebalance, we're down to about 3 inches. So it's added an extra 2 inches of depth just by using the dampening, or as I call it, configuring the coil to the unit so that they match. Once you get used to it, it's very easy to work out where you need to put it per coil. Every coil is different. Everything, like you put the 14x9, you put a 12-inch mono, you put whatever. Every coil is different in the dampening. Not by much, but it is different. And even if you had another 10x5 coil by Coiltech, the exact same coil, it would be slightly different. So it's not the same. Every coil is different. They're all wound different. There's just slight changes in them. Now I have Ron with me over there, so he's prospecting at the moment, so we're getting that little bit of an interference in there. So if I bring that now down, and this is how you use variable frequency. It's just to bring it down so you cut out the interference and the noise from other detectors, etc. Same as you would with any other detector, where you would switch what they call frequency to be in line so you're not interfering. But as you can see with that, it's finding that without any problem at all. And then if we bring in the dampening again, just bring it in slightly. As you can see, that's got a lot more signal strength to it. I'm hoping you can still hear that because I'm only using mobile phone at the moment. But that's a good, 5 inches above a 0.02. Which is a very, very small piece of gold. We move to something larger, of course. That's a 1934 1 penny. like that on the ground. That's over a foot, you know, and when you're looking for small gold with a small coil, you know, you're only looking for surface gold. You're not looking for something really, really deep. When you change to a 14 by 9 or something like that, then you're looking for deep. Now I am running in deep. I'm not, and because, well, that's the way I prospect. But as you can see, that'll pick up a 0.2. A penny without any problems. Yeah, so as I said, that's all we're using is the 5000 from Woody. We're using Woody's amplifier, which is good, his little battery. And that battery pack I've already used probably 6 hours and it's still going strong. So I'd highly recommend you look into it. And thanks, Woody, for letting me test your beast. It is done really well, because you definitely want a machine to be quiet, so all you can hear is the threshold. As I said, there's a little bit of warbling on that at the moment, but that's because Ron's over here with another, you know, machine. He's probably only about 20 feet away, so yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, as I said, thanks, Woody. Done an amazing job.